women put together for 3 months called Easy Flow Kits, best for women with hormonal imbalance, scanty and absent menses, and for women who desire to restore their menstrual health and fertility. Product description: Easy Flow Kits is formulated to balance your hormones, open up scanty or obstructed menses, and bring back absent menses, support ovarian health, and enhance your fertility naturally. Product benefits: Easy Flow Kits helps to remove unwanted toxins from your body and reset your health for optimal functioning. It helps to open up scanty or obstructed menses and bring back absent menses. It controls painful menstruation. It helps stimulate the pituitary glands for proper hormone production to support a healthy menstrual cycle and reproductive health. It stimulates the uterus to support normal monthly menstrual flow, with preparing your body for conception if you are trying to conceive. It helps to bring relief to women suffering from premenstrual syndrome, such as food cravings, bloating, cramping, breast tenderness, depression, mood swings, anger, anxiety, irritability, tension, and difficulty in concentration. Easy Flow Kits is 3 months fertility support plan for amenorrhea, absent menses. You can order Easy Flow Kits now to restore your menstrual and ovarian health and enhance your fertility.